Alright, trade recap. I'm only up 0.5% on the trade because I'm a greedy pig. But I'll show you what we did. Coming into session. Hourly gap above. Hourly gap above. Let me mark our session open. Yeah, hourly gap above. Obviously, Asian lows below. Kind of London lows, not really. Take out. So, they don't really count. The previous market structure shows us sweeping the bottom here, as well as then coming up and sweeping highs here. So we've had our bearish reaction from sweeping, these highs. Bearish reaction from sweeping these highs and whatnot. Yeah, sweeping this, whatever. We have the bearish reaction. And when we come down and we don't actually take out this Asian low, this is what we're targeting for the trade. So overall, before that, so this sweep, so we're a bit bearish as we're coming into market open, especially with the hourly gap above. And because we choose to retrace to the hourly gap before we take out anything bottom side, then it's a good sign we'll go lower. So I was either thinking we'll come up, take out hourly and go lower, or we'll initially come down and take lower to come higher, push through the hourly, and continue bullish. Because this move here, this bearish move, was just the reaction from this sweep. We're still definitely in the bearish momentum. So that was the thinking for that, and it was the correct thinking. So initially we came up to take the hourly and we respected that. So from there we were looking to shoot down to Asia lows / opening range lows / Asia lows. And we nearly got them. We didn't. Those were where my TP was. I was a bit greedy. How greedy? Yeah, 113. 113. So eventually this is hourly gap respect. Boom. Here we're filling in. So this imbalance is filled here. So here we're filling in this imbalance. This is filling in this imbalance. We get filled this top imbalance, and then we get bearish respect. Entry definitely could have been here. 100%. And that's a really good respect. But the issue is the candle that we would enter this on is down here, which is not so good. So then we get another 30-second respect, and I get in like halfway the candle. So that gives me a good risk reward. I have my stop just above this little gap. I'm thinking I could end up having tighter stops because after waiting for all the manipulation, the move runs. And because I've waited for all the manipulation, I can have much tighter stops, better risk reward. So I'm thinking, like if I had up here, oh, sorry. That would have been crazy. So yeah, we have that. And then we also at this point here had another 30-second respect. So on the breaking candle here, I got in an extra contract, which made my RR better. And I took partials like boom and boom somewhere. I took partials when like we hit the little lows, we hit opening range lows. And then I was shooting for Asian low. But so often does it get really close and it just doesn't get it. So often it does that. So, yeah. Which is what it did. So, should have taken fools. Because I've learned this lesson before. This keeps happening. I keep getting too greedy. I just need to take fools. Especially when it gets to a point it could turn, which was opening range lows. Like, even if Asian lows are down there, we're fucking close to hitting them. But we also hit opening range lows. All that stuff. Which is technically London lows as well. But yeah, that's that. Good trade. Potentially could have scaled in a bit better for the entry and also taken fools better.